Speaking of technology, let's talk about something that'll make you feel like you've stepped into a sci-fi film, the Audi Virtual Cockpit. This isn't just a fancy screen, it's a revolution in how we interact with our vehicles. Imagine having all the critical information you need, right in front of you, displayed in stunning clarity. Now, I'm usually wary of too many gadgets in a car. It can feel overwhelming, like you're piloting a spaceship rather than driving a car. The sheer number of buttons, screens, and options can be daunting. It's all too easy to get bogged down in menus and sub-menus, searching for that elusive setting while you should be concentrating on the road. We've all been there, fumbling with controls, getting frustrated, and losing focus on driving. But Audi's virtual cockpit is different. It's designed with the driver in mind, ensuring that everything you need is accessible and easy to use. No more endless scrolling or complicated settings. It replaces the traditional instrument cluster, those boring old dials, with a sleek, high-resolution screen that displays all the vital driving information right there in your line of sight. Speedometer, tachometer, fuel levels, and more are all presented in a visually appealing and easy-to-read format. Navigation, it's all there, customizable to your liking. You can set it up to show exactly what you want, how you want it. Whether it's detailed maps, traffic updates, or even your favorite music playlist, it's all just a few clicks away. And the beauty of it is its simplicity. Despite all the advanced features, it's incredibly user-friendly. The interface is intuitive, making it easy for anyone to use, regardless of their tech savviness. The information is displayed clearly and concisely, so you can glance at it without taking your eyes off the road for too long. This means you can stay informed and stay safe at the same time. Plus, it's incredibly intuitive to use with steering wheel-mounted controls, allowing you to navigate through the various menus and functions with ease. You don't have to take your hands off the wheel or your eyes off the road. But the virtual cockpit is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to Audi's technological prowess. There's so much more to explore and experience. From their advanced infotainment systems to their cutting-edge driver assistance features, Audi is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in a car. Their infotainment system is not just about entertainment, it's about connectivity, convenience, and enhancing your driving experience. Audi is at the forefront of automotive innovation. They are constantly evolving, integrating the latest technology to make driving not just a necessity, but a pleasure. Whether it's through enhanced safety features, improved performance, or luxurious comfort, Audi is redefining what it means to drive a car in the modern age.